बहुत अच्छा शो होने जा रहा है। सूफीज़म को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ कनाडा में, और साईं ज़हूर एक बहुत अच्छे पुराने और अभी के हालात के हिसाब से बढ़ते हुए बड़े अच्छे फनकार हैं, उनको लेकर आए हैं। तो ये इट्स एन ऑनर फॉर बाबू खान टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपको मज़ा आएगा इंशाल्लाह इस इवेंट में। बाबू खान के अच्छे पान भी आप।
Thank you so much, Tabish bhai. I'd like to move on to Kaz Khan from KK Travels, offering the best rates here in the GTA. आपको कहीं पे भी जो है वो अगर जो है टिकट जो है आपको बहुत महंगा मिल रहा है तो आप जो है Kaz Khan को फोन करेंगे। KK Travels will try to match it, at least match होता है ना, for sure. Okay. I'd like to request Kaz to say a few words, please. Kaz, thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, and thank you so much Umaima and rest of the Scope 360 team. It's an honor to be associated with such a great event, Sufism promoting in Canada. And please keep us in mind, try to support this event and all the rest of the events as well in the community. So I would like to just request everybody once again to give it an extra little push to your friends, reach out, try to get this, more hyped up in the city so people can buy more tickets, and keep your travels in mind for all your travel needs. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Kaz Khan. We have with us Afia from Essence Decor, who takes care of all our decors, and most of the people I think know Afia, and you've seen all the beautiful events that are made more beautiful. Char chand lag jate hain decor se, every little detail jo hai wo matters, and I'd like Afia to say a few words, please. Afia.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm very excited. Actually, बहुत ही different सी theme लेके आई हूँ मैं वहाँ, and Sufi की जो ये है setup will be like challenging for me. Like I haven't done it before, but I'm very excited, and inshallah I can do.
You're the best.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Afia. On my right side corner, we have Zimran Haq. Zimran is a old friend of ours, of Shaji's friend, and a huge supporter, not just this, not the channel, in general. So we'd like to thank him for being here today, and I'd like him to say a few words.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. I'm not very comfortable in public speaking, so sorry about that. But it's a great event मेरे हिसाब से. Like the biggest thing is that like यहाँ पे we can promote our culture, right? People should know the great music which Pakistan has, and Scope 360 is doing a great job in providing that. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Zimran. आ रहा है मुझे नज़र कि कुछ और हमारे मीडिया के जो हैं वो जो मेंबर्स ने हमें ज्वाइन किए, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड एक और मेरे प्राउड स्पॉन्सर भी एंटर हो रहे हैं, उनका भी मैं तारुफ कराती हूँ। इतनी देर I'd like to tell everybody what to expect and what is expected, because we are in the last week of the concert. May 14th को होने जा रहा है next week. From the media we are looking for support, of course. आप लोग जो हैं you have been sharing